Hi guys, welcome to Let's Talk City. Today we are unboxing. We don't know what to say.
Hi guys, yes, welcome to Let's Talk today, and today we are doing an unboxing. We do not know what it is, but let's see what's inside.
It says Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels South Africa. Challenge accepted. Check this out.
What is that?
It is it's a Castrol. I don't know.
And it's a 96 Honda Accord Fleet Street. So it's a Honda Accord with a truck team transport. It's premium. It's Fleet Street. If you can see that.
Okay. Mercedes AMG GT
3.
3.
AMG GT3. So this is a little bit bigger. It's quite different for Hot Wheels. As you can see, this is a 1:43, so it's not the normal size that we're used to in Hot Wheels. So this is the normal size of a Hot Wheels, and this is a nice bigger one, and it's an AMG GT3.
Yes.
Sure, looks quite nice.
Yeah.
It's got 55 years. It says AMG on it. Quite fancy.
Interesting. Then, oh, we've got the. Ooh, there's lots of a Ford RS200 Lancia Delta Integral, MG Metro 6R4, and HW Raleigh Howler. Oh.
Okay, this looks quite interesting. So this is all the Hot Wheels Premium collection. So this is all to do with the campaign. It's now Women's Month, and Hot Wheels is running a campaign called Driven to be Legendary. It centers around 2 female drivers. All the details will be on our website, iloveza.com. You can follow us on social media. You'll see more pictures and videos of these Hot Wheels cars and more Hot Wheels cars that we have. We on social media. What are we on?
We're on Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, as well as Threads.
And that's at iloveza.com, #iloveza, the heart and South African flag, #after Fajr grind, and for motoring only we at
Let's Talk ZA, which is TORQUEZA, and we're on Instagram, Facebook, X.
And yeah, so check out more of that on our website and social media. I'm Ziad, this is Isa, and we love ZA.